Hello, my name is Adam Graham with New Look Window Cleaning. Today we're on a roof, a tile roof that has a lot of moss. We're going to be pressure washing the roof and getting all the moss off. As you can see down here, the roof is very dark. It's got moss on it. This part over here has already been done. So that's before and after. And we'll get started. As you can see, before and after, how dirty it was before, how clean it is now. I'm Adam Graham with New Look Window Cleaning. Give us a call today. We'll make your house sparkle. Thank you. Have a great day.